What's up guys, if you are still looking for a Christmas gift, this electric toothbrush might be a great choice. It has a metal body, so the toothbrush looks premium and reliable. The motor is also quite powerful for a budget electric toothbrush. By the way, I have a popular Philips toothbrush, and we will compare it with the new Soocas Spark. You probably haven't heard of a Soocas brand, unlike Philips, but I really like their promo video, and I want to test this electric toothbrush. So let's start with unboxing, and then we will talk about design and features of a Soocas Spark. You can see that the box of Soocas Sonic electric toothbrush is much smaller than the Philips one. There are also main features of the new toothbrush on the box, such as nano motor, 2 cleaning modes, 2 minutes smart timer, IPX8 Waterproof, 55 dB noise reduction, 40 days battery life and others. Inside the box there's a small user manual, USB Type-C charging cable, travel case, a brush head, and an electric toothbrush. Talking about design, Soocas Spark has a nice metal body, but the control button and a cover of USB Type-C port at the bottom are made of cheap plastic. However, this is a budget toothbrush, so do not be surprised by the plastic elements. So if you want to charge the toothbrush, you need to open the cover and connect a USB Type-C cable. By the way, Soocas electric toothbrush has a charging and battery status indicator. When it is flashing blue light, then the toothbrush is charging. If the electric toothbrush is flashing red light, then the battery is low and you need to charge it. The constant blue light means that the toothbrush has been fully charged. You know, Soocas Spark has IPX8 Waterproof rating, so you can wash it under the water, but do not forget to close the cover of the charging port. The manufacturer says that this electric toothbrush is good for travel, but it is bigger than the Philips toothbrush. The height of Soocas Spark is 228 mm and a diameter of 15 mm. The weight is 60 grams. For comparison, the height of Philips electric toothbrush is 203 mm and it has a diameter of 15 mm. It is also easier, only 40 grams. However, the feature of a Soocas Spark is metal body. No surprise that it is heavier than the all-plastic toothbrush from Philips. The new electric toothbrush from Soocas was tested in extreme temperature, and it was soaked in the water with toothpaste for 7 days with no corrosion found. The motor can also withstand 6 kg of force for 10 seconds. That's very good. By the way, you can put a toothbrush in a travel case, but it doesn't fit all the way in, just half with the head. Talking about brush head, the manufacturer says that it is very reliable. It can hold up to 5 kg. It also has more ergonomic bristles than the Philips toothbrush. Now let's talk about battery of Soocas Spark. I have already told you about USB Type-C charging port and charging indicator. The full battery charge takes only 2 hours. However, I didn't find any information about battery capacity. The company promises 40 days of battery life when using the electric toothbrush twice a day. For comparison, Philips electric toothbrush has 30 days of battery life. Talking about performance of Soocas Spark toothbrush, it has a gentle mode and a cleaning mode. You can change them by pressing the physical button. The motor speed is 30,000 vibrations per minute in the cleaning mode. I didn't find information about motor speed of Philips electric toothbrush, but you can see that it is not as powerful as a Soocas Spark. However, the company recommends using a gentle mode for the first-time users and those with sensitive teeth. You should also know about 2 minutes timer and 30 seconds reminder to switch zones. So Soocas Spark is a budget electric toothbrush because it has no display, no app support, and only 2 brushing modes. However, I really like the metal body, and I think the toothbrush and brush head are very reliable. In addition, the new toothbrush from Soocas has a powerful motor with 30,000 RPM and a long battery life up to 40 days. For its price, it is a good sonic electric toothbrush. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!